So I think, as I said, insightful. One thing that we shared was the fact that when you're communicating, you have to know the people you're communicating to. It's not just about sending out information, because communication is the transfer of information from one person to another through a medium, and it is that connection that creates the medium there. If you can speak the biggest of English, the best of English, but at the end of the day, those you are speaking to doesn't understand, you have not communicated anything. And it will look as if you've done it. Okay, it won't look as if, it will mean you've done zero work there, because if you speaking big English will not get them to understand, then it's useless. So it's best you always relate to those you are communicating with. It's not the show of intelligence that you speak good English, but a show of intelligence that you speak to be understood.
Mm.
Your intelligence is proven in when you're understood, not in when you are speaking too much. So if you're a professor and you have to teach primary kids, your language should be understood by them. That should show how much intelligent you are. So in communication, you should be at the level of the people rather than trying to get them to your level, which may not be possible. It's easy to come down to their level than to try to pull them up to your level. Gravity will always defy you, or gravity will always be against you. So yeah.